We are in our lesson book A of our Piano Adventure series, and we are playing Jungle Wedding. And we are going to be focusing on C and F. C is our red key, and F is our green key. So I'm going to play this first for you, and then we're going to break it down and do our solfege, our colors, our numbers, and everything. Okay, so this is a song where we're going to move across the keyboard 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So in order to do that, I'm going to start down here. So our left hand plays C, and our right hand plays F. And we're just going to be using our middle fingers. You can use your donut if you want to, but I think just using our third fingers are fine. So this is how it sounds. Cross over your left hand to the next red key. Cross over to C. Cross over to C. Next, let's do our solfege. It's just do and fa, do and fa. Here we go. Do, do, fa, fa, fa. Do, fa, fa, fa. Do, fa, fa, fa. Do, fa, fa, fa. Okay, next we're going to do our letter names, and we'll do that real quick because it's only 2 of them. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. C, F, F, F. C, F, F, F. C, F, F, F. And C, F, F, F. Now let's do our colors. Only 2 colors, so that's pretty easy. 1, 2, ready, go. Red, green, green, green. Red, green, green, green. Red, green, green, green. Red, green, green, green. And now let's do our finger numbers. There's only 2, so we're just going to do this on the first page. Ready? Go. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Now let's do our rhythm. We have melon and beet and watermelon. And when you play watermelon, that is when your right hand is going to cross over to the next C. So you're going to take that time, that 4 beats, to make your cross over. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Melon, beet, beet, watermelon. Melon, beet, beet, watermelon. Melon, beet, beet, watermelon. Melon, beet, beet, watermelon. It's that easy. You're just learning to cross over with C and F.